How to change a shower head. You're gonna need plumber's pliers, Teflon tape, and a new shower head. Rotate the shower head counterclockwise until it comes off. Then you can do it with your hands. Sometimes the old rubber piece with mesh gets stuck inside there, so we're going to take it out. Take as much of the old Teflon tape off as you can. New Teflon tape. Wrap the new Teflon tape around the threads. Just a couple times is good. New shower head. Make sure the new mesh is seated in there flat. And screw it on to the threads. Don't cross thread, and spin it on clockwise. Get your plumber's pliers and tighten it down, not too much. Test the shower head and make sure there are no leaks. Normally water will start to leak here if you didn't get enough Teflon tape or you didn't tighten it down enough or something. But there are no beads of water coming out of here anywhere, so we're all good.